I spent $500 on fancy smoothies last month. Never again. Wetter. Tired of blenders that can't crush ice? I feel you. This Ninja blender has 1,000 watts. Like a tiny food-fighting robot. Sleek design? Powerful? This is adulting done right. Ice? Crushed in seconds, like Thanos snapped his fingers. Smoothies so smooth they're practically velvet. Frozen fruit? This blender laughs in the face of frozen fruit. 72-ounce jar? Enough for the whole crew. It's huge, Hugwahaway. Batch cocktails? Yes, please. This blender is a party waiting to happen. Meal prepping? This blender makes it a breeze. No more excuses why. Seriously, get this blender. Your taste buds will thank you. Click the link below while you can. Don't say I didn't warn you. Ninja Blender, level up your smoothie game. You deserve it now.